Hello all, I am Aarti Devarani, Assistant Professor, EC Department, R.M.K College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see the second unit, IoT Architecture. What is IoT? We know that IoT stands for Internet of Things. That is, each and everything around us connected by using the internet, that is called as Internet of Things. Architecture means structure. Now we are going to see how our IoT are structured. The IoT have four stages. First one is sensing layer, network layer, data processing layer, and application layer. By seeing the name itself, we can able to tell sensing layer. This is the first layer. This is the first layer. In sensing layer, it involves a tiny device called a sensor that gather the information like temperature, light, motion from the environment. Now we are going to see what are the protocols involved in the sensing layer. In sensing layer, the first protocol was HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The sensor can use HTTP to send the data to the central server. It's like filling out a form on online and hitting submit button. The second protocol it used is MQTT, that is message queuing telemetry transport. It is a message protocol. Sensor can send a short message like tweets to a central server. And the third protocol is COAP, that is Constrained Application Protocol. It is efficient and works well on the device with limited resources. And the fourth protocol is LORQWAN, Low Range Wide Area Network. A sensor can send the data over long range, which is useful for tracking wildlife in longer area. So our first layer is sensing layer. By seeing the name itself, we can able to tell we are going to sense the environment. How we are going to sense the environment? By using the sensor. Our next layer is the network layer. By seeing the name itself, we can able to tell what is network. The collection of devices forming the network. Okay, just imagine, think a network in IoT is like a road or a path that the data takes to travel between different devices. So in network layer, it is a layer where the data will travel over a different devices. It is responsible for ensuring that information can flow smoothly and securely across the IoT devices. So in now we are going to see the protocol involved in the network layer. First one is IPv6. What is IPv6? IP stands for Internet Protocol version 6. It provides unique address, just like your home has a unique address. And the next protocol is NB-IoT, that is Narrowband Internet of Things, and L LTEM, that is long term evaluation for mission. These are like highways for IoT device. They use existing cellular network to allow devices to connect over a longer device. So then the next protocol is ZigBee. So ZigBee, the device that use this protocol can connect easily and efficiently in a small area. So once again I am repeating, network layer. Network layer is responsible to take a data to travel between the different devices. It is responsible for ensuring that information can flow smoothly and securely across the IoT system. Our next layer is data processing layer. By seeing the name itself, we can able to tell here we are going to process the data. It is the brain of the IoT system. This is where the raw data collected from the sensor in the sensing layer gets turned into useful information and decision. Once again I'm telling, data processing layer. Here data is processing and it is the brain of the IoT system. This is where raw data collected from the sensor in the sensing layer is turned into the useful information. So data processing layer, here the data are processed. What are the protocol involved in the data processing layer? The first one is HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. It is used to retrieve the specific information from the memory. And the second one is MQ MQTT, that is message queuing telemetry transport. It is not only for sending command but also used to receive command and instruction from other part of the system. Then the next one is WebSocket. WebSocket. So it provide two-way communication. So once again I am repeating, the third layer is data processing layer. In data processing layer, the data are processed into the useful form. Okay ma? Then we saw some protocols involved in data processing layer, that is HTTP, MQTT and WebSocket. And the last one is application layer. The last one is application layer. This is the layer where the information from the sensor is put to use in meaningful way. So application. This is the layer where the information from the sensor is put to use in meaningful way. It's like when you take the information you have learned and use it to solve the problem or create something new. Once again repeating ma'am, this is the application layer. Application layer is responsible to make the information from the sensor is put to use in meaningful ways. It is like when you take the information you have learned and use it to solve the problem or create something new. Okay ma? Here also we are going to follow certain protocols. The first one is HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol, used to access web page and the service. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, it is used to access web pages and service. https https, that is hypertext uh, transfer protocol, secure. It is used when we transferring secure information like password. Once again repeating, HTTPS, it is used when we transferring secure information like password. Then next one is REST, representational state transfer. It is used not just for sharing data but also requesting action to be performed. Once again I am repeating, REST means representational state transfer. This is the protocol used not only for sharing data but also used to requesting the action to be performed. The last one is MQTT, message queuing telemetry transport. It is used not only for sending data and receiving command, but also for application to subscribe to specific topic they are interested in. So it is application oriented. Okay, ma. Once again, I'm revising. The first layer is sensor layer. By seeing the topic itself, you can able to tell here the sensing is happening. How the sensing is happening? By using the sensor. And the next one is network layer. So collection of devices. In network layer, data is transmitted. In data processing layer, the data is processed. And the last one is application layer. It is the smart application. By using this layer, the information from the sensor is put to use in the meaningful way. Thank you.